Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Semrush for SEO income, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register with Semrush for SEO income, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type Semrush in the search bar and hit enter. Click on the official Semrush website link to access their homepage. Once on the homepage, look for the sign up or get started button, typically located in the top right corner. Click the Sign Up button to initiate the registration process. You will be presented with options to sign up using your email address or by connecting a Google account. If you choose to sign up with your email, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, create a strong password in the password field. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the appropriate box. Review and accept Semrush's terms and conditions, marking the checkbox provided. After filling in your details, click the Create Account button to proceed. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Semrush. Open the email and click the verification link to confirm your account. Once your account is verified, return to the Semrush homepage to log in. Enter your registered email address and password to log into your account. Upon logging in, you will be guided through a brief onboarding process. This process includes setting your primary goal and selecting your business type. Choose the options that apply to you for a personalized experience. After completing the onboarding, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the tools available. You now have access to Semrush's features, which can help you optimize your SEO strategies and increase your income potential. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.